Good morning, beautiful people all around the world. It is Wednesday. Happy Wednesday to you all. I hope your weekend, your Monday and Tuesday was awesome and amazing. And today is going to be awesome and amazing. Guys, today is a great day to love on someone else and love on yourself. Outfit of the day. Outfit of the day. Ooh, I got a stain right here, y'all. But guess what? She doesn't care. She doesn't care. Those are little things. We should not care about the little things. But guys, it is actually morning time and I'm getting ready to head out. But before I head out, I had opened up the door and I was just like, what is going on? It's happening again. It's happening again, y'all. Do y'all see that right there? She has to pull out the coat. She has to pull out the coat because guess what? It's 47 degrees and it's cold. It's cold. Okay? It's cold. I will show y'all. We got gray skies. Gray skies. So gray. It's beautiful though because the trees are still blooming. But it's gray skies. And I really don't want to go out. But I have to get out of here. It is time to go to where most of us don't want to go. But I don't have to stay there that long. So I am very grateful for that. But I'm going to go in here, make my tea. I just wanted to say good morning and happy Wednesday. Guys, be good, be good, be good, be good, be good. So let's go make some tea. Welcome to tea time, guys. Let's have a drink. I got my tea. So what do you have? You have your coffee, your orange juice, your smoothie, your water, or you have absolutely nothing. But like I said, I needed to take a drink, take a sip, but I need mine like right away because it's cold outside. So guys, I don't have much to say today, but I will say this. I know a lot of us feel like, oh my God, why we do go through the things that we do every day on the day-to-day, or just life in general. We think life is beating us up and stuff. But guess what? What does he say? What does he say? Nowhere in that word, nowhere that you ever heard anywhere, no religion, no nothing. Every day is not going to just be a glorious, great day. You have to make it a great day. You have to believe, you have to manifest that it's going to be a great day. Because guess what? Those who endure the worst, or you might say like bad stuff, those who do that are going to, if you endure it to the end, you're going to make it. You're going to survive. You are one of his. If you can endure to the end what is going on in the world out here today, you're going to make it and you're going to be okay. So for that, we're going to take a sip. That's all I have for y'all today. I hope y'all didn't think it was going to be actually long. No, she got stuff to do. She got to go to work. But anyway, yeah, those who endure it to the end, going to be okay. You're going to be fine. We're going to be tested, tried. Things are going to come after you. Things are going to come to you. But just trust. If it was not happening, then you say, oh my God. No, I'm starting to know that when you do go through stuff, this is what we're supposed to be going through. Like, I'm not going to say like crazy stuff, but the little things, like, come on, stop complaining. It's going to be okay. And those who endure it to the end, they're going to make it. They're going to survive. Y'all, don't focus on this. Y'all weren't supposed to see all of this, but she's doing some things here, okay? I will see you guys all in the next part of the video. Be blessed now. home because guess what? Y'all, she hungry. I did not eat breakfast this morning. Yeah, so I'm gonna make me a salad. And maybe you guys want to see what I'm putting in my salad. So guys, look at these. These little things here. These are like baby bell peppers. And my daughter gave me these because I'm thinking, and I know I probably can plant them, but I'm thinking I'm just gonna go in and use them. But they're super cute. Look at them, little baby bell peppers. Basically, when she cut open the bell pepper, that's what was in there. So I said I'll just throw them in my salad. So guys, I'm just gonna use this baby wild arugula. I'm gonna make me a nice little helping too because, like I said, I'm kind of hungry. It's like 4 o'clock. Let me put these here. So yeah, how are you guys doing on this rainy, dreary Wednesday? I'm not gonna complain though. I'm not gonna complain because I think everywhere it's like a whole lot of rain and stuff. So they say April showers bring May flowers, but it's May now, so yeah. Oh, and I'm gonna show y'all something too later because once I eat this salad, I'm probably gonna take a nap. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm gonna take a nap because she needs a nap. I did some strenuous work today as far as helping somebody do some things around, you know, one of my assignments that I had, doing some things around at home. So yeah. So yeah, I'm just using the rest of this spinach. And like I said, I used the rest of that celery. Now these are empty. I'll wash those. Let me get this out of here. And I'm gonna put some onion on there. Yeah. Yeah, but I had to turn the heat on. It's like, it's 50 degrees outside, but it feels like it's cooler than that. It really does. So that's that. And I think I got a tomato. Hold on, y'all. I think I got a tomato over here. Yeah, I'll use one of these beefsteak tomatoes. Ain't nothing like a nice, healthy salad when you're hungry. So we cut these in half. I'll set that right there so it won't spill. Oh, well. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get some garlic powder, put on here, some pepper. I'm trying to think what else do I want to put on here. Oh, you know what, y'all? I could use these raisins. You can kick it up a notch. Put some raisins on there. And we're gonna put a piece of cheese on here. This is the cheddar style slices from Trader Joe's. The cashew. So let me just take it out. It is kind of flimsy. So I'm just gonna do it like that. Oh, y'all, that looks so good, don't it? Looks so good. Now let's put some dressing on it. And then she's gonna take a break and come back there because she gotta eat her salad. Then I'll show y'all what I wanted to show y'all. So here is my salad. So guys, I'm ready to dig in. I'll see you in a moment, okay? Feast your eyes on it. Feast your eyes on it. I know it looks good, right? I'll see you guys. Y'all just came back to tease y'all for a minute because this salad is so freaking good. So good. Like it has all the right ingredients. I'm watching this movie Home Invasion. It's really good. But what I wanted to let you guys know, today is Wednesday now, right? Do not forget to tune in to A Million Little Things tonight. Guys, it's going to be like a really good episode tonight. I didn't get a chance to watch the last one because there was like a news thing that was going on. Something with the virus or whatever, I don't know, like some kind of news thing. So I wasn't able to watch it. But I can stream it on Hulu for the last one. So what I'm doing is I'm going to watch it tonight and then I'll watch it on Hulu, the one before this they're gonna show tonight. But I just wanted to let you guys know. And also too, let me know, do y'all like this show? I think a couple of y'all said y'all did like it or whatnot, but yeah, let me know if you watch it and what you think about it. So yeah, guys, hold the line. I'll see you in a little while. All right, guys, I'm back. So a lot of you guys know I love plants. I am a plant mom, and some of you guys, some of my subscribers are plant moms. But I know a lot of people always say they don't know where to place their plants. Plants not getting enough light. This room is too dim, or a host of things. So I am going to just show you guys what I have been doing with most of my house plants and how I just found that it was a perfect area for them to be. I did move, I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3, maybe like 4 of them recently. And I just came up with, this is the perfect space for the plants because they're gonna get enough light. It also like helps you with protection. I'll explain that in a minute. But I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys where I placed all my plant babies. Well, I'm gonna say like eight of them, I think. I'm not sure you guys can do the counting, but I'm gonna show you where I placed them. And hopefully this will help somebody, you know, who loves plants and struggle with finding places to place your plant babies. Sorry if I'm looking all over the place. I'm trying to make sure we're light enough. So guys, without further ado, this is where I chose to put most of the plants for now. If you guys can see, it looks very, very, it looks, let me turn some light on. I think we're a little bit too dim in here, so we're gonna turn some light on. Turn some light on. So, as you can see, I added a few more plants to this space, and just think, this is my window that faces the street, so therefore it does give in a lot of light most of the time, and then sometimes might not be enough light, but it still has light. So I think my plants would do very, very well in this area. I did add her out of the bedroom. I end up putting this one in here. You guys remember this one was over there on that side. I put her there, and the fiddle leaf fig I had just added not that long ago. But guys, this is a perfect space for your plants, especially, like I said, if you want privacy, this is going to give you the privacy that you need. Even if I open up the blinds more, you still can't see anything but plants. I absolutely like it, and I absolutely think it's beneficial too for the plants because they're going to get more light and they're going to thrive better. So this is all the plants here. And I had to turn them around because they'll get, you know, you have to actually turn your plants so they can get the right amount of light going around. So like each week you should turn your plants at least, I'm gonna say twice a week you should turn them. So yeah, guys, I hope this was a good form of information for you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know, give me a thumbs up, leave your comments or concern in this video, and let me know, what do you think? Was this a good idea? Can you guys use this? Like I said, it helps you with, you can keep your windows open because if someone is looking in, all they're gonna do is see plants. And then it also helps your plants. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys where I gave my plant babies a new home, and I think they're gonna like it because so far I got a lot of new blooms, and we'll get into that probably one day this week. So guys, thanks for tuning in today for another lovely video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. And remember, love yourself so that you be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. Bye, y'all. See you tomorrow.